Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to analyze the Nifty and Bank Nifty probable range for the coming week. That is 15th of Feb 2021. In last video, I had also tried to give some range. Uh, some of you must have watched this and got it very beneficial. Today, you can see that this is 1 hour chart of Nifty spot. Okay, uh, you can see that the very first two rejection, the high was made on 9th of Feb, which was 15,251 points, and you got a rejection from this point. You can see that from here. Okay, this you got a rejection, and we got a pullback towards 14,985. Then from thereafter, it again reversed to the higher side and again got rejection at the upper level, that is 15,250 odd points. So this level actually basically getting rejected by the responsive seller. Who are responsive seller? The kind of sellers who thinks the price is above the value, and now this is the time to make a short in the market and put the price to the fair value. Okay, so you can see from here it almost came down till 14,950 odd points, almost 250 points. Okay, from here it also tried to make an attempt. If it would have been traded and crossed the higher level, that is 1500 to 60 level at this juncture, then a new area, value area, will be open for us. Okay, then thereafter we will analyze what is going to be the probable range in coming session. But somehow it got rejected again, and you can see the low which was made 15,087 on 12th of Feb. Okay, and from thereafter it shows a minor pullback. Okay, and you can see the closing here 50,160 odd points. Okay, now on coming days, that is on 15th of Feb, what could be the possible range which we can see? Okay, if it sustain to open around this level 50,160 odd points, we will see 1 hour trading. Okay, 1 hour trading basically gives you initial balance high and low. Then we will, if initial balance high is crossed immediately within 2 hours of session, then we are going to see the outer range out of initial balance high. We will see whether it is crossing on the upper side or not, or whether it is going down and breaking this 15,140 levels. Okay, if in any case if it breaks down this point 15,140 levels, then we are going to see this level 14,000, 15,040 odd points, which is 100 points on the downside, which will be a good play. Okay, if you can catch any of you, if you plot this chart and levels, you can easily catch this 100 points move on the downside. Okay, as of now I'm not seeing any bearish sign in the market. Okay, because I will go only short, I will become only bearish after breaking the 15,000 level, this zone. Okay, because you can see that this level is getting very important here. Okay, because this is 5th of Feb, you can see that the price was getting rejected here, the price was getting rejected here. You can see that on 5th of Feb continuously the price was getting rejected on this level, which is 14,980 odd points. Okay, this black line, this line. Okay, and you can see the on 5th of Feb the market played in a very tight range. On the upper side it was 14,980, on the lower side it was 14,910 odd points. In 70 points the whole day spent on 5th of Feb. And the very next day, that is after weekends, 8th of Feb, the price gapped up. Okay, Whenever there is a gap up, you need to see the 15 minutes candle. If it is upholding, then you go and play out the gap up candle for the possible next range for the booking profit. Okay, you can see from here gapped up and it went all the way from here. That's how you can see that whole day play around here. This upper resistance 15,130 40 watt points, and the lower side was 15,040. So this becomes very important level range. Okay, so this is for 1 hour chart, and let's see one more point I want to highlight. If in any case this 15,000 breakdown, then you need to see the next minor resistance, which will act as a support, 14,970 odd points. If it breaks down, then we can see the next level 980 odd points more lower side, and the next one is 14,750 odd points. This why this level becomes very important, because on the 3rd of Feb you can see that the rise from this level to this level, okay, 14,800 points rise, which was achieved on the 3rd of Feb. Again from there make a pullback, and again price reverse to the upper zone, which is around 14,900. Okay, so this level also becomes very important, this one. So on any downside, uh, max to max we can see 14,740 odd points, and we will, if this level is achieved, then we will see the market how it is going to play further. Now see on the daily charts what is happening there. Okay, this is daily chart. Let me remove this. Now you can see that I plotted one trend line, which is from 22nd of December 20, and you can see that on 25th of Jan, this trend line was broken down on the lower side. Okay, this level was 14,300, and we saw a support of where from where the price gets a support, and responsive wire came in and moved the price on the higher side. This level was 13,600. Okay, this point you can see that. Again this level, the zone which is the candle which made on 2nd of Feb 2021, you can see that the level was 1400 460 odd points, and from there you can see that the unstopped rally towards high 15,260. So on monthly chart, daily chart, you can see that the important level is 14,740, which I recently quoted on the 1 hour chart. So this becomes a very good support. Okay, from where previously on 20th of Jan 2021, it acted as a resistance, and the price fall big time. Okay, you can see that from 14,700 to 13,584. Now this point will act as a support now. So for any fall, this area will become a big support line, which is 14,720 30 odd points. Okay. Now let's zoom it out and see how the market is playing on the daily chart. See this level I have already marked. This is 15,257 odd points. This becomes the resistance area. Okay, this one also. Okay, you can see that from continuous 1 2 3 4 5 6, after 6 day of rally, unstopped rally, which made a high of 15,257 60 odd points. Okay, now we see a pullback towards this level 15,040, which will act as a good immediate support for the any big move on the upside, or if it breaks down, then after this level we need to see the 15,000 level or 40,980 odd units. Okay, so now the market closed on 12th Feb, which is above the 15,140 odd marks. We need to see on the Monday what is the price action on the chart. Then we will. I have already given you the range. Okay. Now let's go and quickly see the Bank Nifty chart. You have to wait for 1 sec. The net is a bit slow today. Now this is a Bank Nifty spot chart. Uh, I plotted on a daily time frame. Okay. Now you can see that the range which I have plotted. Now you can see the upper line which are this is black line which I have plotted. You can see the high which was made. Okay, 36,620, which was on 5th of Feb. Then on 8th Feb it almost tried to touch here but did not cross it, closed below this. So 9th of Feb you can see that again it closed here but did not able to cross on the higher side. And finally on this day, 10th of Feb, you also see my red candle which is below this, which is high was 36,166 odd points. And thereafter you saw the two minor green candle. Okay, you can see that this was a green candle, and above that one more big green candle, which the high was almost 36,400 odd marks, which was made on 12th of Feb. Okay, and the candle was closed near about 36,094 odd points. Okay, so roughly it was weighted average close was 36,189 odd points. So going forward, we need to see whether this level is sustained or not. Okay, we need to see if any fall below this level 35,800, we are going to see 400 falls, which is 35,450 odd points. We need to see the confirming following candle also, whether on the bearish side or whether it has to go high, then it need to cross the 36,400 500 odd marks. Okay, which was previous high actually was 36,500 600 odd points. So you need to cross that. You can also see that I have plotted a trend line, okay, which is I have taken from 23rd of December 20, and I have tried to no, touch the wick on the lower side. You can see that the fall which rally from here, uh, 29,600 point, okay, it went all the way and got price got rejected here, this line 32,780 73 80 odd points. You can see that this line. Okay, this is the level which is becoming very important going forward as a and acted as a resistance. And you can see the price fall here but did not able to cross this trend line on the lower side on 18th of Jan 2021. Now it was only on 21st Jan 2021 the price again tried to cross over here, even did not cross on the higher side. So this level become very important. So it got price got rejected here, and we saw a decline towards 29,660 odd points. And from there onwards, we saw a rally going forward till 36,644 odd points. Okay, now from this level 36,600 and this level becomes a range 35,400, roughly around 1,000 points. and trading over various days. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6, it has traded in between these 1,000 points range. So we need to see any breakout on either side to find a new value area going forward. Okay, now let's go and see on the lower time frame. See, you can see that the price opened here on 12th of Feb. Okay, and you can see that the rally got upside near about the 36,200 odd points, and there was a minor pullback, and again made a high of 36,323 odd points, but did not able to cross 500 600 points. You can see that I have also plotted, this is IBH and IBR, which I had plotted on 11th of Feb. Okay, for the 1 hour chart basically. Okay, this is 15-minute chart, so you need to check it out. 1 2 3 4, so 4 candle. Okay, comparisons from here to here. So high was made on 36,000, made at point 36,008 odd points, and the low was 35,680 odd points. And you can see that on 12th of Feb. Okay, the price, if it has to go and play and find out the new value area, then it need to cross on the higher side and get out of initial balance range, which was on the prior day. So on 12th of Feb, okay, you see the very opening candle was this one, red candle. Okay, and it got on the upper side at around 10:45, and it got out of the range from the previous initial balance. Okay, so now the close was around 36,140 odd points. So we can see we are not seeing any bearishness in the market in the on the shorter time frame as well. If anything happens, we need to check going forward the next level to play out. Okay, now I'll just remove it. Now I will plot actually the pivot points to see the probable central provide pivot range for the Monday. Okay, so now see this narrow range. This is a central pivot range. The price opened here. Okay, and you see a non-stop rally towards here, 36,330 odd points. This is R2, R3 actually, resistance 3 on the pivot line, 36,420 odd points. Now we need to see whether on Monday what is going to be the central pivot. So tomorrow pivot. Okay. Okay. So this is the 36,054 odd points is giving the central pivot range. Okay, for the Monday. If it because the pivot for the 12th of Feb was this one, so obviously the price traded on the higher side. So central pivot range is going to be near about 36,040 odd points. So we now need to see the price action on the Monday. Okay. So this is what I wanted to share with you guys. Okay. I try to give you actual price action. Okay, so that you can have a knowledge of the probable range going forward, and you can play accordingly. For any trade to initiate, please consult your financial advisor. Okay, don't trade on other advice. Okay, this was just for no knowledge sharing, where the market is heading and what is the probable range in the coming session. Thank you very much. And if you have still not subscribed to my channel, Please go and subscribe my channel, press the bell icon. I usually come with a new topic, daily Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis. And going forward, I will be coming with the various new topics as well, which will give you knowledge free of cost. Thank you very much. I have a good day.